Okay guys, so here we are. This is gonna be the basic template for your video, kinda. So you're gonna take the footage that you already had ahead of time. I'm in Vegas Pro 14.0, Sony Vegas. And we're going to go to our camera roll or wherever you stored your video. So here's the recorded video I did. Okay, so from this point on, you're gonna cut your video into how you would like to see it in the end. This can be on top of some gameplay, but for now, I'm doing some basic cropping on the video, or not cropping so much. But here, we're gonna keep this, the actual video itself. So let's just pretend that your audio actually worked, unlike mine, because mine's stupid, okay? What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you guys how to keep this as an overlay. Obviously, this is just a little bit of an extra thing. Here's just a picture from my gameplay that I literally just got done editing. Yeah, here, we'll put this down below it. Alright, so obviously you want to chroma key your video somehow. So what you're going to do, go here, right-click the video, click Media Effects, then go into Vegas, or Sony Vegas, however your folder is named. It should be right near the bottom under Effects. And then look for Chroma Keyer. Click this. Make sure it's highlighted in blue, and click Add. Then click OK. Background. Oh, nope, never mind. Sometimes it'll glitch out like that. Instead, if that messes up, just go back to your media effects and remove the chroma keyer. We're going to make sure it has this specific color, so I turned it off there so it would actually listen to what I was trying to click on. That's not the exact color of my wall. Here, let's get a little bit of a brighter area and try to turn it on. Now usually, obviously I'm against the wall, so I don't have a perfect layout there for my webcam. The actual outline on me is kind of crap right now, but what I would do if I actually had a decent webcam, you click Event Pan and Crop, and you can just expand this little zone here and drag it wherever you want to. So now you can see I've got a decent chroma key effect on it, also known as the green screen effect. So you can see if I play this, that my background is mostly clear. That adds a pretty decent chroma key effect to your video. Now, if I wanted to make this just a little bit better, because I know you guys, for professional videos, you're going to want a better background, like a better hidden background than I have right now. So what you could do, you can just change your low thresholds or your high thresholds. So I'm gonna make my high threshold just a little bit bigger, and the blur maybe just a little bit. No, we'll make that solid. Okay. Now the color, you can slightly adjust this until you get the best background possible. Right about there is pretty good for me. Alright, so now the video looks even more clear, or I suppose clear wouldn't be the good description there, but yeah. As you can see, it mostly blends with my background. Now keep in mind, it doesn't look amazing. That's just because of my crappy webcam. Honestly, you can spend so much time on it and edit it all little by little, just slowly changing the color, and you can get the perfect amount there. Make sure you have a solid colored wall when you're doing this, so that it's easier to chroma key it to one solid color. You don't have to use a green screen. Just use a wall or anything. It doesn't matter, as long as it's one solid color. And that's all there really is to the video. You can just line this all up. So now if I play through it, you can see that most of my background's gone. Like I said, I kind of have a crappy webcam, and I'm not going to spend the time to edit it properly yet. Make sure you don't do what I just did in the end. That, this little bit right here, where you move it around, it switches all the colors, and it's only removing part of it now, because there's different colors. So, yeah, that's really all there is to it. So my name is Riskway, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!